Okay, let us go. First I need to create a file. Let's rename it. Suppose I rename it with Yash WNK. Okay, this is our newly created file. I need to open it in VS Code, so I can I can also drop it, and I can also means open it manually. Suppose I want to open it manually, I will need to first click on file, then open folder. Which folder I want to open? Yashvank, and select. So do you want to save change? Means it is actually asking the previous one. Yes, I am going to change it. Okay, if you don't want to change anything, you can also do, as you know, don't no not want to change anything. Okay, so now what to do? Let us open terminal using Control plus J, or you can simply use Control plus Shift plus tilde symbol. Okay, then we need to first write npm, means to create our actually I'm going to use vite and tailwind css here. So first I will need to use means create a vite code. Vite, create vite. Okay, these all code are in my description box, so you can simply copy paste it instead of writing it, because sometimes what new learners do, they simply write the means try to write code and do a silly mistakes. So instead of writing, simply copy it from description. Okay, write at the rate latest. Okay, I need to enter this. Okay, then project name, I don't want to change any name, so I will create this same project name. Then react, yes, I will need react. Then javascript, okay, I will need javascript. Then npm inst. Okay, till here, if you reach till here, so let us do our next code. First you need to enter in the file which you created, then then enter npm install it. This code will install the all npm packages, just like you are seeing here. There is no node package, so after the execution of this code, it will, yes, it will create a node modules package, and we need to wait for few seconds. Yes, so now we need to code npm install. Okay, sorry, we need to code here npm install. Oh, sorry, I by mistakenly repeated that code. You can also directly write npm install tailwind css, then space at the rate TailwindCss space vite. Okay, so this will allow me to use TailwindCss, means it will actually downloading. Then we need to write add. Okay, after the execution of this line, we need to simply click on vite.config.js. so if you don't have this means config file, means this file, you can simply create it manually, and then you need to change some you need to do some changes in that file. Okay, you can also see this code where we need to change that coding. Okay, so here my file is actually created. I will simply enter here, and then I will write element css. It is showing me error because I did not imported the file of tailwind. You need to simply write here import, then tailwind css from, then write at the rate, then wait. Okay, it will allow, it will, yes, this error was of also a comma after react. Okay, you can also write this like, means after entering the code, you will be seeing it like this. So now if I want to run my code, firstly I will need to implement this tailwind in css file. Suppose I click in on src, then I can see here app.css is here. Whenever you need the tailwind code on means any file, you only need to import it. Therefore you need to write I am @ import, then tailwind css. Okay, Tailwind CSS. Then you can, yes, then you can then I'm also going to write it here. Okay, so now let us check whether my CSS is working or not. So first I need to write npm run dev. It will provide me the 1 minute. Yes, actually my spelling was mixed correct. Let us correct it and run it. Yes, now we get localhost address. It will run our code. Yes, our code is running. Actually you can see our code is running properly. And suppose I want to change the code, I can simply click on, I will simply click on app.jsx. Then I will remove the code which I don't need it there. Then I will write my code. Suppose I want to insert, let us do one thing. I simply copy and paste the code. Means from, if I visit TailwindCss.com, then this icon means button docs, and then if you simply scroll it down, you will be finding this code which you can copy and paste here simply. Okay, now you will get to know, yes, this is our actually code. And here, suppose uh, suppose I did changes, some changes of Tailwind CSS using Tailwind CSS, like text gray. Instead of gray, I wanna use red. Then suppose I write here 500. Okay, will it change my code output? Why it is not changing my output? I think I was, it's yes, I actually did not save this. And I also need to save all the, yes, why don't it change? Why didn't it change? Let us see. Actually what happened with my code, I write test, instead of it I need to write text. So now, yes, you can, as you can see, my the result is here. Okay, this hello world is changed into red color. So by this method, just like this, you can do changes and create your Tailwind plus React file. Okay, thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video if you actually like it and work it, and also comment on it whether you like it or you need changes in it.